3 facts about canaries. Bright, tiny, and full of song. Canaries may look delicate, but these little birds are packed with amazing surprises. 1. Canaries are small songbirds from the Canary Islands, Madeira, and the Azores. Wild canaries are usually yellow-green, not bright yellow like many pet canaries. 2. Male canaries are famous for their beautiful singing. They use their songs to attract mates and defend their space from other birds. 3. Canaries can hear and copy different sounds. Some even learn special tunes and whistles from people who train them carefully. And here's a funny fact. A happy canary may sing so much, it sounds like it's putting on its own tiny bird concert.